How to fix slow loading Windows Explorer. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, restart your computer and refresh it like this. After that, go to your File Explorer and then add this path. And now select all of these paths and then delete it. After that, what you will have to do is turn on off your computer and turn it on after a few minutes. And that's it, fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.